Hello everyone, myself Pranali Kakade. My subject name is Financial Management and my topic name is Leverages, and I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies from Boise. Definition of leverage: the use of various financial instruments or borrowed capital such as margin to increase the potential return of an investment. The amount of debt used to finance a firm's asset. A firm with significantly more debt than equity is considered to be highly leveraged. Classification: there are two types of leverage: operating leverage and financial leverage. In operating leverage, fixed cost associated with running the firm, and in financial leverage, fixed cost associated with financing the firm. Degree of leverage: measure of how much leverage the firm uses. Operating leverage. In operating leverage, what is operating leverage? Operating leverage is the ratio of a company's fixed cost to its variable cost. A firm with relatively high fixed operating costs will experience more variable operating income if sales change. Effects of operating leverage. A volume moves away from break-even, profit or loss increases faster with more operating leverage. More operating leverage leads to more business risk, for then a small sales decline causes a big profit decline. Degree of operating leverage. So how to calculate degree of operating leverage? So the formula for degree of operating leverage is equal to sales upon PBIT. In this PBIT, it means profit before interest and tax. Degree of operating leverage, second formula is percentage change in operating income divided by percentage change in sales. Degree of financial leverage. Now, what is financial leverage? The use of fixed cost sources of financing means debt, preferred stock rather than variable cost sources. Variable cost means common stock. Financial leverage: by using fixed cost financing, a small change in operating income is magnified into a larger change in earnings per share. This multiplier effect is called the degree of financial leverage. Degree of financial leverage. Degree of financial leverage formula: DFL is equal to percentage change in net income divided by percentage change in EBIT. DFL for second formula for DFL is equal to EBIT upon EBIT. Here is EBIT means earning before interest and tax upon EBT means earning before tax after deducting interest. Combined leverage. Combined leverage means by using operating leverage and financial leverage, a small change in sales is magnified into a larger change in earnings per share. This multiplier effect is called the degree of combined leverage. Combined leverage is a leverage which refers to high profits due to its fixed cost. Degree of combined leverage. Here is the formula for degree of combined leverage. Degree of combined leverage, in short, DCL is equal to percentage change in EPS upon percentage change in sales. Here EPS means earning per share. DCL is equal to degree of operating leverage into degree of financial leverage. It means DOL into DFL. Degree of combined leverage formula. Third formula is contribution margin upon EBIT into EBIT upon EBIT minus interest. Now we will see the question. For example, we have levered company. In that, sales for 1 lakh units is 14 lakh, variable cost 8 lakh, fixed cost 2,50,000, interest paid 1,25,000, tax rate 34%, common shares outstanding 1 lakh. So now we want to calculate degree of operating leverage. So the formula of degree of operating leverage is sales minus variable cost upon EBIT, that is earning before interest and tax. So in the question we have a sales for 14 lakh minus variable cost is 8 lakh divided by EBIT is 3,50,000. So we will get 1.714 is degree of operating leverage. Degree, now we want to calculate degree of financial leverage. So degree of financial leverage is equal to EBIT upon EBIT minus interest. Now we have 3,50,000 is EBIT my upon 2,25,000, that is EBIT minus interest. So we will get 1.556 is our degree of financial leverage. Degree of combined leverage. Degree of combined leverage is equal to sales minus variable cost divided by EBIT minus interest. So we have sales for sales is 14 lakh minus 8 lakh up divide by 2 lakh 25,000, that is EBIT minus interest. So we will get 2.667 is our degree of combined leverage. Thank you so much.